It's been a fun day experimenting with Copilot for me, so I wanted to share something for you that's going to help you save bunches of time when you're doing work either with Copilot or actually work in general on your Windows 11 device. So, what is that tip? It's text to speech, but it's different to how I've experienced it before, and it's way more helpful. So, a great example here, you can see on screen, I've got a Copilot window open. I can use my work Copilot or Copilot for the web, doesn't matter. Got a lovely little microphone here. I can speak prompts into it, but there's a bit of an issue with this one. I'll show you now what that is and then see if you can work it out. So I've activated it and I want to ask you something. And the thing I want to ask you, I might pause as I'm speaking because I'm often thinking. That pause might be a bit long. Do you see what happened there? It just got bored. I mean, I would get bored listening to me, but however, there is a way to do this which is way more effective. It allows you to speak as you would speak. So let me show you that now. If you press the Windows and H key, you can set it up with your, you can set it up to launch automatically with punctuation, set your microphone. I use a Rode NT, it's fantastic. You can set this little bad boy up to, or bad girl, whatever. Set it up to listen and allow you to speak naturally, allow you to take pauses, but keep listening until you decide, you know what, I'm bored of listening to myself. Windows H, stop. That's great, right? So I can now put fully fledged verbal prompts into my Copilot and get it to do things, and it works quite well. I've tested it. Here's where it's even better. Over in my Copilot for Microsoft 365, there isn't that text-to-speech button. I don't have it yet, but I'm still fine. Here we go. Can you give me a summary of all the meetings I've got coming up this week? Highlight the meeting, the time, who it's with, and maybe if there are any attachments associated to that meeting, just give me the details of the attachment. Yeah, I think that's what I want, because I can speak pretty naturally about this to you. I'm sure you're going to do a great job. Windows key H, stop the chat, enter it. Really nice way of sometimes building prompts in a more natural way and allowing your brain to think and process. And Copilot seems, so far, to do a pretty good job of filtering out the wheat from the chaff, whatever that means. So let's just see it finish off and let's see whether that worked. But you can use this tool, reminder, Windows key H, when you're clicked in a text box on any screen. You have to be clicked in it, otherwise what happens is you just saw there, it just goes bloop. It's quite hard to click into it when it's actually typing itself, but hey, isn't that nice? I'll just stop that generating because you don't need to see all that good stuff. But there you go. Really nice little tool. Nice workflow improver. Hope that helps.